Hi everyone. Okay, so I just got my LaLa Land Crafts monthly kit, and I will tell you guys that I just thought I did an unboxing like last week of this, so I'm kind of going, oh my god, the months are flying by. They really are, and it's just crazy to me. Totally crazy. It's already the end of July. Okay, so let's see what this one is. I did see sneaks of this one and I was so excited when I saw it. So you get the big rubber stamps. You cut them out yourself. They're really easy to cut out. Just don't cut on the line of the rubber of the actual image. Just cut around it. You're fine. You can get up and close and personal with it, just as long as you don't cut into your rubber, your sentiment, and your it's raised edges, so you can see that too. So just, yeah. Okay, and then this is what we get. My favorite, I mean, I love The Croods. I love that show, that movie, and it's just so fun. And so seeing this one, I was like, oh my god, it's like The Croods. So here you have the volcano, and then you have the leaves with the palm trees. These are palm trees with little coconuts. You get little coconuts, and then the ferns. So alright guys, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.